going on, guys? On my way to Norwich for a bumper job. Seems pretty straightforward. Let's see how it goes.
So I'm retiring, I'm still working like a dog. I'll tell you though, man, EB had some of the best welders I have.
So first part of the video, had the steel bumper. That's basically all set. Already got working with himself cleaning up the bumper where that's going to be installed. And also got some aluminum ladder racks as well. So cut the length and modify them. And we'll get that done.
All wrapped up here out in Norwich. Got a new bumper welded on for the customer. And over here, ladder racks that were fabricated, all put together and all screwed on. So, started at 9 a.m. Got done around 2 o'clock. So not bad for a little Sunday afternoon. So, catch you later. Make sure to like and subscribe to my page. I greatly appreciate it, guys. Thanks.